Hi, my name is Brooklyn. I am a service advisor at Spradley Hyundai. As a service advisor for Spradley Hyundai, I make sure that every customer gets prompt and friendly service, as well as a good follow-up.
My name's RJ. I'm a technician here at Spradley Hyundai. When customers bring their vehicles in for service, they can expect the top-of-the-line service.
Here at Spradley Hyundai, we treat all of our customers as if they are family.
As a Hyundai technician here at Spradley, we go through the 27-point inspection to make sure you get out of here safely and securely.
I would recommend anybody with a Hyundai vehicle to come get their vehicle serviced with us by our certified technicians and factory parts. Thank you guys for watching. I am Brooklyn, and I am a service advisor for Spradley Hyundai. Here at Spradley Hyundai, we love to provide great service for our customers, and we look forward to taking care of you.